Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Never seen anything like this before. I told you that they have a freeway, like as far as you can see back there in the sky, you would see this line, and they go for hours and hours and hours, and they never stop. There's hundreds of thousands, maybe even millions of them. I've never seen anything like this in my life. Never seen this many birds in a single location. And I mean, they're everywhere and miles deep. Not just right here. They're miles deep into those trees all over the place. So, good to see you, Swim Cat. Earthquake coming? Where are you? Washington State. Yes, I'm in Seattle. Actually, a little north of Seattle in a place called Bothell. At my daughter's place. Oh, look, here they all go. Look at this. Look at this. Crazy. Wow. Wow, holy shit. Incredible. They're not leaving. They just moved to another location right there. But they're still filled here, so... Oh, wait, let me see if I can get that right there. I don't know whether you can see them. Doesn't look like on this phone that I can see them, but just wanted to give you that update and give you a little bit of visibility to craziness that's going on in the world. All the animals going in circles, insects, I've seen it. I saw insects going in circles, not online, here. And, well, there you go. That tree's still quite full. Can you see how many of them are in there? Give a count. Oh, how about on the roof? There you are. Wow. So, buckle up, Buttercup. Something's coming.